even though you might not have your land yet, that doesn't mean you shouldn't necessarily be engaging with professionals. There's a lot of knowledge you can gain from those conversations. You can speak to them about sort of budget and brief, the total overall scope of your project. If that budget and scope are in alignment, understanding sort of building siting relative to plots that you're considering, and consideration of what types of construction methods you may be interested in.